So this is an example of, did you pay attention to what the question is really asking you? This guy only asks for the tip. What tip should she leave? That means there's only one calculation to do. We're only finding the part. We are not adding it on or subtracting anything. We're only finding that part. So I'm just going to set up my percent proportion of my part over my whole, which is 2258 equals 20%, which is 20 over 100. So then I cross multiplied and divided, and I got my tip, or my part, of $4.52. And just if anyone's struggling with the rounding, the reason that it's $4.52 is because, remember, we're stopping at the hundredths place. We don't want any more because we're working with money, but this 6 tells my 1 to bump itself up, so it's really $4.52. So did you catch that you were only supposed to find the tip, or did you add that tip on, which was unnecessary for this problem?